Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can replace the battery for your car key fob. This is for the Toyota Prado 2020 or 2019, 18, 17. It will work for the previous model as well. So what we want to do is first remove the mechanical key. So I'm just going to pull on the switch right here and pull out the mechanical key. And once you pull out, there is a small hole right here, you can see right there. So if I zoom it right in, you can see it. It's right there. You want to put the screwdrivers right in. So here we put it in like so. So put it right into the hole. So a little bit hard to see with the light, but you can see it right there. And all you have to do is put it in the hole and then you twist it. So let's see if I twist it. You can see it pops open. And when it opens, you can then open it like that. And here you can then remove the battery. So there is a small clip down here. Just basically you need to just remove the clips to pull the battery. So you can also get a screwdrivers in here, or something smaller, maybe something smaller to put in here and pull it out. Okay, so I got something smaller here, and then I'm just gonna pry it up like that, and it will pop out. And there it is. And here we're just going to get a new battery and then put it in like so, and then you can just close the cover, just squeeze it together, and that's it. That's all you have to do, and pops your mechanical key back into place, and you're done. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.